The Great Emu War. When Australia's army lost to birds in 1932, Australia declared war, not on a foreign nation, but on its own wildlife. The enemy? A fleet of flightless birds, the emu. And in one of history's most hilarious military failures, the Australian army lost. Now, before we move on with the story, please, help a small channel grow. Like and subscribe. It means a lot to me. Okay, back to the story. The feathered invasion. After World War I, Australian veterans were given land to farm in Western Australia. But drought and the Great Depression made life hard. Then came the emus, thousands of them. These giant birds, standing over 6 feet tall, marched into farmlands, devouring crops and wrecking fences. Desperate farmers begged the government for help. Operation Bird Blunder. Government sent in the military, complete with machine guns. Led by Major G.P.W. Meredith, soldiers armed with Lewis guns faced off against the emus. But birds don't fight like humans. They scattered in chaos, dodging bullets with surprising agility. After days of firing, only a dozen emus were killed. The rest just kept running. Tactical defeat. The army tried again, but the emus outmaneuvered them. Newspapers mocked the campaign, calling it the Emu War. Even Parliament debated the absurdity. Finally, the military admitted defeat and withdrew. The emus had won. Legacy of the losers. Farmers eventually resorted to fences and bounties, but the Emu War remains a legendary failure. It proved that nature doesn't care about human firepower, and that sometimes, the real enemy is pride. So next time you see an emu, salute. They're the only army that made Australia surrender. Thank you for watching my video. Please, like and subscribe.